Thanks to McLuhan, we have seen how media transforms our perception, behavior, and interpretation of message. If we apply this metaphor to the current internet, the medium is not just a space where we store information. It's an ecosystem that redefines how we interact with data, work, and each other. We will focus the concept of in the cloud as a metaphor and cloud computing as a service delivery model. While the term cloud is sometimes used as a synonym for the internet or to everything we do online, this was not the original meaning. Initially, cloud was used to represent network traffic, graphically and mask this connection's complexity. Later, it was used to represent interconnected computers. With the advent of internet, the term evolved into a system, essentially becoming synonyms with the web, through it originally served to simplify previous layers of complexity. Knorr and Grumman described the term cloud as a cliché, when combined with computer, create confusion and weakens its meaning. They highlight the variety of definition and interpretation of the concept. Some see it as a form of utility computing, where others extend the idea to include anything outside when sounds computing, even traditionally sourcing. Cloud computing provides internet-based on-demand access to a range of computer resources such as application, physical, and virtual servers, data storage, development of tools, networking features, and more housed in a remote data centers managed by a cloud service provider, CSP. According to the National Observatory of Telecommunication and Information Society, cloud computing is featured by the following characteristics. Pay-per-use, billing model based on actual consumption. Abstraction, virtualization that eliminates the need for maintenance, updates, and testing staff. Scalability, dynamic adjustment of features based on client needs. Multi-user, the ability to share resources among different users. On-demand self-service, flexible access without direct interaction with providers. Unrestricted access, availability of services anywhere, anytime, and on any device. The cloud service model offers considerable benefits. Cost efficiency, ideal for optimizing resources. Scalability, that allows capacity adjustment based on needs. Collaboration that facilitates amongst teams worldwide. Automatic updates with no manual intervention. Data backup, ensuring security and continuity. However, on the other side, cloud computing also faces significant challenges. For example, privacy concerns and security issues when handling sensitive data. Dependence on third parties, which can limit direct control. Legal issues related to international different law. Potential downtime, affecting service availability and reliability. These factors must be carefully considered when adopting cloud services. As we can see, dependence of a third provider is key. This dependence can present risks like security vulnerabilities, loss of control over the data, and service breaks. Business and institutions must carefully consider this risk against the benefits of the cloud services. While cloud platforms offer powerful infrastructures, the need for robust security protocols and contingency plans are needed. In recent years, a trend called cloud repatriation has emerged, where businesses are returning to managing their own infrastructure instead of relying on cloud providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. The main reasons for this shift include escalating costs, security concerns, and the mismatch between cloud capabilities and the company needs. Companies often underestimate the long-term expenses, especially when migrating legacy systems that need to be updated and optimized for the cloud. While this shift might seem like a blow to cloud computers, they continue to thrive with the growing demand of AI-driven cloud services. Cloud computing raises fundamental questions about access and ownership in the digital age. As more service and data are moved to the cloud, users gain easy access to resources, but lose direct ownerships and control. The cloud becomes a media that facilitates interaction, yet its reliance on third-party providers challenges traditional notions of ownership. This creates a tension between the freedom and flexibility the cloud offers and the potential risks associated with outsourcing control and data privacy. Services like Spotify or Netflix exemplify the cloud computing dilemma between access and ownership. Both platforms allow users to stream music and movies without owning physical copies, offering convenience and instant access. However, users do not own their content anymore. They depend on third-party providers for access, raising questions about data control, privacy, and service availability. The user experience is seamless, but the underlying ownership and control lie with the cloud service providers.